cooking video. So it's Boxing Day 2018 and we're at Hardwick Hall in the grounds in the estate. It's late in the afternoon, but we've got some lighting, so we're going to crack on. Got our trusty chopping board, and today is all about what we do with our leftover Christmas dinner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the ultimate Christmas sandwich. So I'm going to get these bits out, show you what we've got. So I've got some of my favourite bread here. Show you this camera. There you go. So ideally we like to toast that in a bit. I'll just leave that over there so the bugs don't get it. Now in here we've got our leftovers. Can't beat leftovers. Show you them in a minute. So we've got some Brussels sprouts, some pigs in blankets, a bit of stuffing, some sweet potato, some potato, some parsnips, bit of cauliflower in there, bit of cauliflower cheese, and in here my new flask bought for me by my lovely wife. You've got some real ale gravy left over from the rib of beef that we marinated. So meat wise, we've got in this little parcel got some little bits of turkey. Lovely turkey that was, very moist. There's the beef. Oh, nearly lost it. And my favourite, now this was from Christmas Day evening. We had a bit of a competition in our household, who could do the best ham. It wasn't a fix, but I actually won. So there's some honey glazed ham. I'm going to have that in my sandwich as well. So we're just going to light the jet boil up. There we go. In goes a bit of butter. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get those bits in there, mop up a bit of that butter. Nobody said this was going to be healthy, it's just going to be tasty. Nice and buttered on there now, ready for when we're ready for our filling. So in with the sprouts. We've got some flaked almonds in there as well, and some pancetta. Forgot my spoon, but never mind. Just wipe it on my trousers. Hardwick was a big stately home built in the 1500s for a lady called Bess of Hardwick. I don't know, I'm just looking to my wife, she's in the background. I'm not very good at history, she's a lot better than me. So it's beautiful, and we're absolutely lucky enough to be staying here over Christmas. set in Derbyshire. We've got Chatsworth House just down the road, not far away really. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to add some of this meat. I'm just going to tear this up. There's a clove there. There's the beef and there's the turkey. Just going to warm that through a little bit more. That's looking really good now, and it's tasting it. No, it's looking good and it's smelling even better. I think we always regret that smell-o-vision's not been invented yet. And as I always say, cooking outside always tastes better. We all love a barbecue. All you've got to do is take it one step further. Right, I think it's time to add the gravy. Let's get you in here. Oh yeah. Oh, you can smell the ale. So that's some real ale, some dark ale in with that gravy. We reduced that right down. So the beef was marinating in it overnight for about 12 hours in total. A big rib of beef, and then we took the beef out, and the marinade that was left over we just put on a low heat on the pan and reduced that right down with some onions as well. Chucked in a few extra things, and then just topped it up with a little bit of stock. And that is going to make that sandwich so moist. If any of you have seen or are a Friends fan out there, then you'll remember Ross and Monica when Ross's sandwich got stolen, and he used to love it because of Monica's moist maker. This is almost done. Try a bit of this. Oh yes. Oh. Don't ever throw Christmas dinner away again. You can always reuse it. Turn that off. Move that out of the way. Right, excuse the fingers. Got a bit of everything in there. Pigs in blanket. Who don't love a pigs in blanket? Sprouts. They're nice. I don't know what everyone's on about. I love them. Beef, turkey, bit of stuffing, sweet potato. Oh, look how moist it is. There we go. Get that on there. Oh, you can hear the shooting in the background. They're still doing the Boxing Day shoot. This isn't really the right knife for this, but we'll give it a go. Oh yes, look at that. So I would say, I'm biased obviously, but the best oh my god. Yeah, I'm not biased. That is the best Christmas leftover sandwich I have ever eaten. I don't know what to say. Sublime. So, Merry Christmas, Happy Boxing Day, have a great New Year's Eve, and all the best for 2019. Cheers everyone, bye!